Hey, what's up guys? RC2K here, and today I got my new RC.
I can't stop the love we made.
So as you guys probably know, I've been looking to buy the DJI Spark. I bought it about a week ago and it's finally here. There's probably about 10,000 DJI Spark unboxing videos on YouTube, so I'm not going to bore you guys by doing an unboxing video. I've got everything out. I'm going to show you guys everything and tell you guys everything. The DJI Spark Flymore Combo is the perfect drone for new flyers and starts around $600, so it is decently affordable comparing to the Phantom or Mavic. This little drone has a great 1080p 30 frames per second camera with a massive sensor on top for obstacle avoidance and hand gestures. As you can see, the Spark has sensors on the bottom to detect how far the drone is away from the ground. You can also lift this thing up and to access your microSD card slot and a place to directly charge the Spark through a micro USB. To turn on the Spark, you simply press once and hold. You will know the drone is on when the lights start flashing. These lights are amazing for when you're flying at night and you want to easily see your drone. Let's get into what the Flymore Combo comes with. First off, it comes with this nice hard case to protect your Spark and 2 battery slots so you can bring along any extra batteries you need. The next thing this Spark comes with is a very nice leatherish case, which I really like. And as you can see when I open it, there's a perfect spot for the remote. You simply fold out the arms of the remote and also the antennas, which are very easy to fold out. As you can see, same with the drone, you press and hold to turn on. You got your sport mode, the sticks are very responsive, you got Wi-Fi code on the back, and yeah, turn it off the same exact way. In the mesh pocket, there are extra props. There are 4 extra props in total. Also in the mesh pocket, you're going to have your remote charging cable. Also in the bag, you will get 4 prop guards, which are great when you're flying in an area where you could crash, or areas where you're flying near people, just in case. The last thing I got is the 3 battery charger. To charge the battery, simply plug in the charger and slide the battery into its spot. If you're planning on taking videos or pictures, remember to get a micro USB card. A 32 gig just like this one costed me about 20 bucks at Best Buy. So right now I'm going to show you guys what I do when I'm ready to fly. So what you do is you boot up your Spark by pressing once and holding, and you'll hear a fan turn on, and then you'll hear the chime like that. Obviously you'd get your propellers ready, but I'm not actually flying. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna do the same thing with the power button. So tap once and hold, you'll hear another chime, and until I get like an OTG cable, if I do it, what you do is you go to your Wi-Fi. Let me see if I can do this. I'm gonna blur out my password there. Okay, so go into your settings. 1 second, sorry, I'm just gonna see if... Alright, now that my camera's cooperating, we can move on. So, you're gonna connect to your Spark's Wi-Fi using your Wi-Fi code and everything right here on the sticker. So you connect to your Wi-Fi, and it will say no network connection, which is normal. Then you go to home. I'm gonna go to my DJI Go 4 app, and since I already have mine paired, I can go straight into flight mode from here. Obviously I'll want to calibrate everything, but see, I'm right in. Sorry, I just got into settings for some reason. See, I'm right here. Obviously I'm not going to take off, but see, I'm moving the camera. Anyway, back to the home page, so it'll come up here. And what you can do is you're going to have, when you press this blue blue button. When you first do it, you'll have the option to like pair it, so you obviously want to pair it, but after you pair it and it says it's connected, start flight, and it brings you right into here. And obviously takeoff, auto flight modes, everything you need, pictures, photos. The photo button's right here, picture button right here, function, so customizable button right here, gimbal positioning, so up or down, like you can see, so when you're in the air. And obviously you got all your settings. There's so much settings. This isn't really a settings video, but I might make one, so stay tuned for a settings video sometime soon. But anyway, that's basically the controller. For the buttons, this is return to home, so you'll press that to return it to home just in case you have an emergency or just you want it to land itself. This is another customizable button, the function button. This is sport mode, so if you want it to go like 30 miles per hour, which is pretty crazy for the size of this drone, you can flip it like this. I'm not going to do that right now. This is pause flight. And unlike the Mavic, the Mavic has buttons back here, but the Spark controller doesn't. So yeah, that's basically it. And yeah, let's move on. So this Spark is the Fly More combo. So it's the $600 version of this drone, which comes with all these accessories, which are basically necessary. You can buy the drone itself. That means you'll be using your mobile phone only. And I don't really know how I feel about that. I'm not going to be using that. I want the remote for what I'm going to be doing. So yeah, the Fly More combo is kind of necessary for me. Obviously, it comes with 2 batteries. I've already gone over all the products. But I went outside today and I tested it off camera. I didn't have that SD card yet, or the micro SD card, sorry. So I was just basically testing it out, getting used to it. I didn't want it my first time to be on video just in case I messed up, but it was actually really good. Video quality, very impressive. I have to say, impressive, definitely. Obviously it's 1080p. It's actually really good 1080p. It was awesome. I wasn't able to record any of it, but I could see on my phone, and I'm sure it would be even better on a bigger screen than my phone. So yeah. And it was actually very windy outside today, and I was looking at my footage. You could see the drone fighting the wind a tiny bit, but the gimbal, the 2-axis gimbal, can keep it pretty steady. Obviously, it's no 3-axis gimbal, but for what I'm using it for, and just for the 2-axis gimbal itself, it actually does very well. And prop guards, probably use those around when you're around people, like close to people. I was able to test the obstacle avoidance. One of my friends, Austin, came over, and without we weren't meaning to test it, but he walked in front of it and like put out his hand waving to the camera, and I got a pop-up that was saying obstacle 4 feet away. So that was kind of cool, and obviously it'll stop it, and that's because of this sensor. I also haven't tried the hand gestures. I will be doing that tomorrow. And keep in mind, tomorrow I'm going to make another video. Tomorrow's video will be actually flying it around and stuff. This is more of a kind of unboxing video, kind of just initial thoughts, I guess. But I was able to get a really good deal on this. This is basically brand new, except I did notice when this thing came in, the box is a little bit destroyed. So nothing inside was damaged. Everything was completely new except for the box, and I got it for like $150 off. So soon I'll make a video about how you can get it. I don't really care about the box, so I'll keep it. But I mean, $150 off. Who cares about the box? Anyway, make sure mine didn't come with an SD card. I just ran up to Best Buy to get one. I got a 32 gig for $19.99, so 20 bucks. Not too bad. And I'll be testing out all the modes tomorrow, basically everything. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Thank you guys for watching. This wasn't the most action-packed video, but I got to look over my new drone, and I think it'll be awesome. Nice, small, and portable. Basically what I'm looking for in a drone. Tomorrow, like I said, I'll be flying it around, so make sure you stay tuned for that video, and I will see you tomorrow.
Yeah.